Good morning. How y'all doing today? All right. So I'm gonna go from feeding chickens here. I'm gonna go ahead and get into something I haven't gotten into in a little while, and that is going to be my gear. It's been a minute. How you doing, girls? All right. All right. So I'm gonna bring you in here. Don't mind the mess. Shed's a little bit messy. So don't be judging. Let's see what we got in here. Yeah, it's been a while since I had that. Now, good old bag. Old granite gear. Wow, all right, let me get this out. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. I got some more gear up here I gotta take down too. Go ahead and get that bad boy up out of there. All right, let's go out. All right, had to dust it off. Alright, right here, this should be good as place as any here. This little paint spot will keep it up off the ground a little bit. So it should be good here. I'll probably have to take that to the washing machine. This is my first bag. I had hiked down in 2023. Z-packs. Quite a bit of stuff in there. It was a good bag. This is actually the second bag they had sent me. So my first bag had delaminated. So this is the second one they sent me, and I haven't really did any miles on that one. I think I did a video a while ago about it. That filter's probably not good anymore, but we'll see. A lot in that. Okay, that's actually pretty clean. We'll wash it though still. Alright, and this is my last one. This is this Warrior Expedition here. Got the old Warrior Expedition stuff going on. And that's my hike 2024. I got the old Tenaruni. Got a lot of miles on it. What is this here? That is the last one they sent me. That is a, I don't think I like that bag, or that freaking that. It worked for what it was. And cover. What we got in here? I got everything in here. Everything inside is pretty good. Jacket. Yeah, what I'm going to be doing is going to be cleaning all this gear. That was part of it. And going to be doing a hike in June. I know I haven't been saying much here, but yeah, that's the granite gear. That's the Z-packs gear, and I'm going to get this all cleaned up. So let's get you here. All right, so what I'm going to be doing is Amanda and me, we're going to be doing a hike here in June. So that's a prep up. I'm going to get all that gear out. I'm going to wash it up, all prepped up, and get ready to go for this hike.
Keep a gun in the truck, always with me. Never catch me in a damn F-150. I'm a working man doing all that I can. Getting up early, get some dirt on my hands. Make a few bucks, spend it on the weekend. Got a couple trucks, one for work and one playing. I'm a working man doing all that I can. Trying to stack funds, buy some land, that's the plan. Putting in hours, working hard as I can. So I make money on my own like a man. I've been straight getting it done. 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 I'm a big truck driving, slick rig, one when I'm riding shit sick so high and roll.
Well, got it all out. Took a minute. Not that I don't forget, I didn't know how to do it. I'm thinking these aren't good to eat anymore. I put them out in the field for the birds to eat. But that's it. This hasn't been packed up in a long, unpacked on, well, 2 years. So the hike we're going on is going to be up in the Payson area. And we'll get into it. I'm going to go ahead and let this air out and take a couple things in and go ahead and wash it, and we'll go over it. Okay, so this is the bag I finished last time. Granite Gear, great bag. If you're looking, I'd get one of these. This is the Blaze 60. I had no issues with it. The only issue I had was, and it was not an issue with the manufacturer, is right here. I had one of these straps started breaking loose, and they sent it to me. Well, me having hiker's brain and whatnot, I didn't take this side off for the other strap thing. So once I realized I was back on trail and I could not get it, so I ended up doing the rest with this. Well, it wasn't even the rest with this. This came in later. I did a multitude of things. I did string, I had all kinds of different things. But I ended up getting this. I think I got this in Maine. So the last 100 miles or so, I used this, and it worked great, and it really worked out. But that was the only thing. Other than that, I have zero complaints about this bag. I don't think I'm going to be taking this one. I think I'm going to do the Z packs because it's not going to be a long hike, and I know I haven't gotten into where we're going yet, but I'm going to go get there in a second. Put a couple of those things in the laundry. I'm going to let this tent here air out, and that is what the hell is this? The Hyperlight. This thing has been ragged at the bottom there. You can see all the. Let me get this open. Hang on 1 second, I gotta open it. I had to do a lot of patching with this because I just lay it down, but got a bunch of patches in there. But she's still good to go. You clean all that out of there, get her all, flip her inside out and get her dusted off. And just netting here. Got a little hole in the netting, but other than that, she's not too bad. The other thing would be the zipper on the one side, and this actually happened early on with the zipper, and I wrote the company and never wanted to fix it, but I just zip it up, zip it down, and it'll stay shut. But every time you pack it up, you have to do that. So I just don't even use that side. Now, when it's warmer, it's not bad because you're gonna have it open anyhow. So that's the only issues I'd had with that. So anyway, where we're going is we're going to go up to Cabin Loop Trail, up on the Mogollon Rim, up in northern Arizona. It's about, I don't know, they said it's, some places says it's 24 to 25 miles. Person says it's 20 miles. I guess it depends on you. What it is, it's a bunch of trails all together. So we're going to be doing that in June. So I got to get walking again because I have not been keeping super in shape. Done a little running and stuff here and there. Done some walking here and there, but haven't really stayed in hiking shape anyhow. So we'll do a couple videos leading up to that, and we'll go ahead and go over this trail and as all that gear is training and let y'all know where we're going. Hey, how's it going? So on that trip, got my gear unpacked. We went over the entire trail. Now the only thing left to do for me start training. Like I said, it's been 2 years since I've been on that trail, and if you've been following me, I attempted in 2023. Here's the fail.
Hey, how's it going? Well, I'm back in Arizona. I'm not on the trail no more. I had a couple people asking where my videos went and whatnot. I probably got off in like mid-May. Had a great time. There's probably 3 big reasons why I had gotten off. One was I really missed my wife an enormous amount. We had talked about her coming maybe there, and then maybe me coming back off trail to come see her. And it
wasn't really a fail. It was a lesson learned. And you gotta listen to your body. Don't push through things. Well, sometimes you can. And then here's me, 2025, finishing.
Am I gonna work there much longer? No, I'm not gonna work there. I'm a driver, I'm a winner. Things are gonna change, I can feel it.
Climb out behind.
Give me a second.
Congratulations.
We did it. All the way through. And I had a great opportunity with Warrior Expedition to go ahead and make that happen. They're a wonderful organization. If you don't know about them, hop on there, go ahead and donate. But anyhow, yeah, I'm just gotta get going. Like 2 years, like I said, I've been running a little bit. I've thought about doing a lot of trails. I was working. I had to catch up on some bills. I had to pay a few things off after doing that hike. Nothing bad, nothing crazy. But it also kept me busy, kept me around, because I really was going to go ahead and, right after the Appalachian Trail, go ahead and do the PCT or the Arizona Trail, and that's still on my mind. I just gotta do it. I know for me, and I don't know if I did any follow-up videos of what the trail did. I mean, I was lucky enough to have that, I don't know if it's an aha moment or a spiritual moment or whatever you call it, but it was definitely a moment of peace I had, and really changed me as a noticeable change, and not just from myself, but even my wife Amanda, she noticed it. A big calm, it does a lot to you. For me, I'm excited to go on this next hike. It wasn't even my idea. I was just kind of in my zone doing all that stuff I was showing you, like putting fences in, repurposing the fence, and doing my truck and stuff like that. But it's like anything. Like, you don't know if you can do something until you go ahead and try. So the worst you're going to do is fail. I know that's kind of a weird way to say it, but it's just the truth. Like, I never painted a vehicle before, and man, I messed it up. So I'm gonna give it another shot and we'll see how that goes. But I'm really excited to get back into this. I know I had started on both times trying to film the entire time. That first year, it was so rainy, and there wasn't a lot of opportunities to film. And I filmed what I could, and then the second time I was really thinking, this is just about me, and I just get in the zone and I'd forget, because I'd just be hiking and just enjoying my time. So now that I got that out of the way, hopefully I can go ahead and just be more consistent and consistently load up like I was at the beginning and try to get back into it. I really do enjoy doing this. For the simple fact is I just like doing it. I think I'm kind of good at it. So I'm just gonna continue to do it and get back into this walk. I'm see what my pace is. Very nice, easy pace, 17-minute pace, nice and slow. Abnormal for me. Usually I'm blazing around. Just getting warmed up. Let me see my heart rate. Not even budging. All right, so it's like 100. So I guess I'm still in shape. And like I said, as usual, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this walk up. Hey, thanks for joining. Stay tuned for all the updates on this hike coming up. Got a lot of prep and whatnot. So that's all I really got. Hey, and holy shit, you need to get your butt out there. Go ahead and walk too, all right? And all right, per use. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Stay easy. Peace.